All right, guys, in this video, we're gonna install ethanol reader to tell you your content of your ethanol on your car, E85, if you have one. So there's a couple of ways of doing it. You can measure it manually with a little tube, which is, sometimes it's a pain in the butt. The second option is, as we all know it, you can buy flex fuel sensor that's gonna be on your car. You need to do some tuning corrections. We know the COB's against it now and all kinds of issues with that. Or you can do this option right here. You can get standalone option with sensor and Bluetooth adapter that's gonna transmit the ethanol content to your phone app, and that's it. You plug that in right here in line. You download the app, and this thing transmits the fuel content and the fuel temperature to your app on the phone. That's it. Simple as that. All right, so everything is connected and wired. So this is your sensor right here. That's your fuel it Bluetooth adapter. I just put it right here on our return line. This is the return. And I wired it into the ground right here, and the positive on the relay for defroster, the coil, positive coil sides, because when when you turn ignition, that powers up, so that's gonna start power this Bluetooth device. Well, everything's connected, up and running. You guys saw the number, 67% ethanol right now. Anyway, you saw it, how it's done. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.